Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Australia Transit Visa step by step. Start by confirming you meet transit conditions and know whether you must stay airside or can pass through immigration. Check passport validity and visa requirements for your nationality and prepare onward travel evidence. Keep a clear itinerary and allow time for document scans so your application is quick and accurate when you begin the online process. Gather the documents you will upload so the application is smooth and fast. Bring your passport photo page, onward ticket confirmation, and proof of sufficient funds. Obtain any required health documents and travel insurance details, and prepare a brief itinerary stating transit duration and airport locations. Ensure scanned files are clear and under the size limits before you proceed to the online form submission. Allow time for translations if documents are not in English. Create an account on the official visa portal and complete the transit visa application carefully. Enter personal details exactly as shown on your passport and add flight and itinerary information. Upload clear copies of required documents and pay any fee with a card or accepted method. Review every field for accuracy, submit the application, and save your confirmation number for tracking and future correspondence. Expect an email with processing updates and be ready to answer requests for extra information quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.